What's up, Battlefront family? We're on Kashyyyk, and we're about to lay down some smoke against. Apparently, looks like the stack side there, doesn't it?
Yep, yep. I think
Nice.
it'll, I think this game it'll be either 50-50 or one-sided.
Oh yeah. Well, that last night on Volusia,
Sure.
that was a tough game, man. I like those type of ones where you got to grind those command posts. And I think I think Williams is a noted droidica. He's really good at flanks and running droidica stats too as well.
I think if there's one thing I would change about Battlefront, and I think the truth would be maybe just like temporarily ban droidicas and ship phase because it's just droidica strat and droidica pushing.
Yep. Yeah, man. The other thing is, I rally for is because I like the droidicas when people that legit guys know how to use them, but take that reduction damage away, and so it stops them from doing circles. Everything else, flanking around back command points and everything, legit. But when you start doing circles just to buy time, it's like, man, that's not legit strat, man. But that's how I look at it when it comes to that. So I figured, hey, if they ever had an update, it'd be type of update I would request. It'd be take away the damage reduction at that moment.
Yeah, because people just use that.
Yep, I'm at Echo right now, brother.
Yep, I'm going ahead. I'm going to Chewbacca.
Oh, I got you, Chewie.
Yep,
Okay, I'll bring out the commando right after this command,
nice.
And I'll join you. That was fun. I kind of, you could tell last night I was dozed off, so when you started going one direction, I end up in another.
Yep, fucking. Whoop. Hey.
Oh, where are you at, Alpha?
I'm getting Bravo.
Bravo.
Yeah, someone's at Bravo.
Roger that. I'm gonna clean up, see if I get on Alpha somebody. If not, then yeah.
I don't like Bravo on Kashyyyk, to be honest. It's like an open zone.
With that droidica.
Yeah.
Yep. Oh look! Oh, you're cleared up.
Let's
okay,
go.
I see. I'm gonna respawn. No, I already did it. Damn it! I'm gonna join you as Jetty for first.
Would you rather, right, have Captain Rex as a hero or Gregor as a hero?
That's a good man. As a I guess. Holy shit! Sorry, one sec.
Let's go.
Yeah, they got snipers out there. I want them. I'm gonna mark them. Go throw a rocket at them. Yeah. Oh yeah, they have half a dozen. Seems to be hanging around there. Someone flank behind them with a rocket.
Yeah, I'm flanking left. Oh god.
2 of them gone. Mole's on his way up.
Yep, nice. I'm doing really bad at Chewie. Like, he's not my type of player.
First game of the day. Gotta get the cobweb going. I'm with Mole right with you too. I see him. I just cleaned up down there. Oh, nice. Got me with the furious throw. All right, got commando on the go. There we go.
Left. Flanking left.
With you, bro.
Where is he?
Oh, left side. He's gonna flank around the long way.
Yep.
Maybe try to get the Alpha.
Yep, he's I'm pushing straight Delta.
Where are you going? Delta?
Hey, Delta.
Roger, I'm with you. I was gonna go chasing after Mole, but I was like, nah, okay, no, another time, Mole, another time.
Yep.
Let's go get Delta. Oh, Mole's back.
Yep, you good?
Left side.
Mike just out.
Oh!
Yeah, I saw him. He just fucking.
Just ate a 50-50.
There is no emotion.
Gotcha. Got you recharge.
Nice. Thank you very much.
I'm gonna use disruption here if you want to jump from the top. Oh, Obi-Wan's with you. See the mind trick? Where? Yeah. Oh, coming up to you, man. I'll hit you with another recharge.
Nice.
For before you jump. You should go for the big jump off that, man.
Ah, fuck it. Oh, I got no kills. I got no kills.
Obi-Wan just took out the bot beforehand.
Yep.
That would have been epic.
Oh yeah. I think Chewie's really good on the ship phases.
Yeah, man.
Frank?
Yeah, he murks boss, man.
Yeah, I think Chewie's got on Camino and ship phases or anything indoors where it's crowded. Chewie does good.
Oh, you get some.
Nice.
I'm getting hit with sniper fire.
Yep. Hold on me if you want.
Got that. Roger that.
Nice. I'm pushing straight back to
This
Delta.
is the one. Yeah, Roger that. With you. This is the one map where I like using my acquisition card because of the long distance sniping. It marks them from my rocket. If I got a camper just sitting on the map, right, just winging at you while you're getting the battle going.
Is acquisition the one that where you shoot them? It like marks them.
Yep, marks them for 6 seconds. I used to love using that, but the one part I would draw on, because you can do this with the jet trooper, is you can usually just use 2 evades, not the third one. Got him?
Yeah.
Or did he get it? Nice.
Yeah.
So we got.
Was a inside Charlie?
Charlie.
He just.
Ow!
He's run.
Did he run out?
Yeah,
Let's
he's run
see
out.
what side. I see him. He's with. Did he team up with somebody? No. I'm gonna go get him.
He's on you?
Oh yeah, he's in the hut.
He's pushing right into Charlie?
Yeah, he's coming. He's coming up. Oh, you're right in front of him. Let's see here. Where's he at?
On you?
He's lurking.
He's in the house behind you. In the house behind you. I hit him loads.
He's in the hut. I see him.
Yep.
Yeah. Oh yes. Good.
He's roof. He's roof.
See if I can
Go
join
away.
you with a
Go,
restart.
Go. He's playing roof. He's playing roof.
Yeah, he's getting out of there.
Yeah, he's running for his life. He's playing Charlie?
Yeah, going to Delta right now, and I'm feeding him. Here's another
Nice.
recharge for you.
Yep.
Can you freeze him?
No, he's far away.
Oh
I hit him
no, he's getting out of. You don't want none of this.
I hit him loads though. I hit him loads. He can't regen.
Yeah. Oh, he's circling back around to Alpha. I mean to Charlie again. Yeah, there he is. He's just going after bots. Yeah. He's right behind you.
One tap. He's one tap. I'm getting shot from multiple people.
Where is it? If you get clear, I'll join in behind you again.
Yeah.
There we go.
Yeah. One thing
Where
I
did he
can't
go?
stand is he's on Delta somewhere. I hit him loads. He's on Delta somewhere. It's my right.
Nice.
Yeah.
See him.
I've hit him loads. I've hit him loads. He's playing point.
Okay, I'm with you. Oh, so he's inside?
No, I think he's on roof.
Gotcha. Got him.
He's gonna try to choke you. Watch.
Get back here, Mo.
Good
Got
stuff.
him.
Good stuff.
Nice.
Good stuff.
Now, he made us work for that.
Yep. Good stuff. Good stuff. Nice.
Commando and Wookiee team up. Oh, got a sniper here. Where's that? Sniper's up above.
Nice. He's dead. Nice. Let's just push Echo because Echo's the only point I got left.
Roger that. With you. Let's go.
Good stuff. Nice. Nice.
Oh yeah, there's a team of bots and a heavy down. Nice.
Good stuff.
Okay, watching left side of Echo. Heavy coming in.
Holy crap, a lot.
Oh. There we go. 85%. Alpha's being taken.
Yeah.
Okay, right now. Oh, tank coming to Echo.
Nice. I'm gonna push it.
Nice. Where are you pushing to?
Echo.
Roger that. Going back to Echo.
Yep.
Oh. Commando droid flanking.
Nice. I'm gonna head back to Alpha.
Sec here. Objective complete. Nice.
Nice. Nice, that's kill the boss.
Oh, there's Mole. Go.
Yep.
Third up.
Oh,
Let's
a
go. Lot of them up there.
Yeah, lot. Yeah, let's go, nice.
Nice. Let's get indoors.
I knew you had it in you. Next stop, mayhem and destruction on the Dreadnought.
Ah, Legends is here.
Legends.
PT.
Oh!
Cool.
Boots hit the deck.
Haven't seen him in a while.
Yeah, man. Yeah, for a long time actually. Pretty cool. Nice.
Oh, nice.
Good guy.
Do we-
Enjoyed being around those guys. They're pretty cool guys.
Yeah. I'm gonna emote,
Cool.
crap. I'm gonna emote. I need to start buying emotes for the heroes.
Oh yes. Yeah, man. I
What's
load
up?
mine under this count. Yeah, I load my emotes up. Go right to back. Yep. Back Alpha.
Nice, thank you. Good stuff, nice.
Nice.
It's Lord's back, Bravo.
Surprise.
Fuck me!
Hello, boys.
What's up?
Rosie?
What's up?
What's up, Rosie? We're just recording. What's up?
Hello, my friend. I watched this video last night before I went to sleep.
Scared me there. It's gonna fucking. Yeah, fair enough. You hot on Battlefront?
Yep.
Alright, go
Nice.
Yeah, no worries, get the... Hey, no worries, dude. Just get the invite when you can. Just get the invite when you can.
Front. In Chewie.
Let's go. Where's
Yeah, you were yeah, you're doing really good at Chewie in that video you made.
Yep.
Oh, yeah, it was fun last night.
Yeah, holy shit, dude! You had almost 200 elims on a one before the when the one phase ended.
Oh yeah, fair enough.
That was
man,
crazy.
it was really, one point there, he's at top of Charlie by himself.
Wow.
Let's go, bro.
Right behind you, buddy. Oh,
Ah, fuck this. Oh, Silver.
where are you? Coming over.
And Shoma.
What map are you guys on?
Oh, we got an Anakin
Kashyyyk.
with us.
He's Kashyyyk.
Oh,
I used to be a heavy in the 104th, and so because of that, I hate Kashyyyk. It's my least favorite map.
Yeah.
it's ours too, man. It's definitely that's a top of the list, especially for Droideka strats. It's brutal.
Oh, definitely.
Oh, okay, fine.
Ah, oh, then we got him. Yeah, nice. I clipped that one. That was a good
stuff.
stomp and repulsor on them.
Highness?
Oh, that's really cool. It's always nice when you get the repulse timing. It's so rare.
Ah, fuck
Yeah.
this. Oh, did not get affected by that barrage.
How did boss get hit? How do you not get hit by that? Damn it! I was too close with it. I get too greedy.
That happens to me a lot.
Silver.
That happens to me a lot in games. I get way too greedy.
Oh yeah, nice. That worked out good.
Although it was really funny because what I used to do with heroes when I was a heavy is if I ever saw a hero, I would just grenade myself. I would just deny them me as a kill, and just grenade them and get whatever chip damage I can off the splash damage from them. It was the funniest thing because I would see a Grievous and go look down.
Yeah. Oh, run.
One of my favorites
Oh, you
is
got me.
when
Oh crap.
oh, there's a family. No, I'm done. I love when Anakin gets everybody with the retribution, and you're coming in right behind with a jet trooper rocket, or you got your repulse already. I love that timing, man.
It is quite cool.
Ooh, very nice.
Oh, good cleanup. Good cleanup.
Good to go. Well, guys, hope you have a lovely and amazing day. Keep safe, stay healthy, stay off the back there. Yeah.
We'll see you guys in the next simulation.
Yes.
Ta-ta!
Where Rusty will be playing with us.
Hell yeah, blah.
Let's go, Russ.
Until next time, have a lovely and amazing day.